Welcome once again to Thompson & Smith. Today we're very pleased to offer this hard working Vauxhall Combo. Our model is a 1.5 diesel dynamic, 5-speed manual. And our vehicle is on just 16,000 miles. We've reached the end of October 2021. Parts of the Vauxhall manufacturer's nationwide warranty until the end of October 2024, or 60,000 miles until it comes first. I'm just going to take you into the rear of the vehicle first. You'll see rear park sensors there, separate security locking, all-ply lined. Also got a just under 6 foot low length. Just coming out to the near side rear. Near side loading door. Again, separate security locking. Okay, near side front. I'll just take you around the cab itself and just show you some of the features. Bodywork's in excellent condition. Just work our way across. We've got electric windows, also electric heated and folding door mirrors. You'll see the driver's seat there, height adjustment, driver's armrest. Just jump in the vehicle. Auto lights. As I mentioned, 16,000 miles. Also cruise control. Control the volume and bits and bobs from the steering wheel. Come across to the main display. All DAB radio. Bluetooth, see a separate USB there. If you come down, air conditioning, as I mentioned, 5-speed manual box, also storage up on the near side, all book pack, and the vehicle has got 2 keys. Now we would service the vehicle on purchase. We do offer nationwide delivery. If you'd like to know more about this van, you can ring myself Tom and the sales team on 01507 602222 or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.